Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vonage integration for CRM call tracking step by step clearly. To activate Vonage integration for CRM call tracking, start by logging into your Vonage account. Navigate to the integration settings within the dashboard. Locate the section labeled CRM integrations. Choose the CRM you wish to integrate with Vonage. Click on the Connect button next to your desired CRM. You may be prompted to enter your CRM login credentials. Input your CRM username and password. Grant the necessary permissions for the integration to access your CRM data. Once connected, return to the integration settings in your Vonage dashboard. Find the call tracking configuration options. Select your preferred tracking settings for incoming and outgoing calls. Ensure that the call logs are set to sync with your CRM automatically. Save your changes to finalize the integration setup. Test the integration by making a test call through Vonage. Check your CRM for the call log entry. Verify that call details are appearing as expected. If all details are correct, your integration is complete. You are now set up for successful call tracking with Vonage and your CRM. Monitor the integration periodically to ensure it remains functional. For any issues, refer to the support resources provided by both Vonage and your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.